Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trade license in Jharkhand. First, understand the different types of licenses available for your business activity. Next, ensure you have all required documents ready before you begin the application process. Finally, take your time to complete the application form accurately, providing all necessary information to avoid delays. When applying, you will need to prepare essential documents such as your identity proof, address proof, and business registration details. If your business requires it, also include a no-objection certificate. Remember that there is a prescribed application fee, which can vary significantly depending on the type and scale of your business operations. The most convenient way to apply is online. Begin by registering on the official Jharkhand municipal portal. Once registered, proceed to fill out the online application form, ensuring all details are correct. Finally, upload clear scanned copies of all your required documents directly through the portal to complete your submission. After submitting your application, you will receive a reference number. Use this to track your application status online. Be prepared for an inspection by municipal authorities, which is a standard part of the process. Once approved, remember that trade licenses typically require periodic renewal to remain valid. Also, make sure to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.